friends, how are you? Today we have to learn 11 to 20 numbers learning activity with their names and spellings. Are you ready? Before start the video, you like and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Hi friends, how are you? I am 11. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. Speak with me. 11. Hi friends, I am 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. Speak with me. 12. Hello friends, I am 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. Speak with me. 13. Hi friends, I am 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14. Speak with me. 14. Hello friends, I am 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. Speak with me. 15. Hi friends, I am 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16. Speak with me. 16. Hello friends, I am 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17. Speak with me. 17. Hi friends, how are you? I am 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18. Speak with me. 18. Hello friends, I am 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. Speak with me. 19. Hi friends, how are you? I am 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. Speak with me. 20. Bye-bye.